Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to make a sheet metal part in Autodesk Inventor 2023. In this sheet metal part, we will use the basic commands counter flange, face, mirror command, bend command, extrude cut and press tool and extrude cut once again and counter roll. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Here take a standard part, sheet metal part in millimeter. Take a 2D sketch, select the exit plane, it will be the top plane, and rotate it. Take the line command, make a rough sketch. Okay, now make it vertical. Okay, now give the dimensions. From center point, this will be 30 and this will be 65. Okay, the angle between these two lines is 45 degree. Now this is not constrained yet. The end point and the center point, the distance will be 110. As you can see, this has moved downwards, so drag it down and select the horizontal constraint. Select this end point and select the center point. Okay, now it will not move. Now we have this as moving. To constrain that, give this line a dimension 40. Okay, now finish sketch. Take the counter flange, it will automatically select the drawn sketch. As you can see, this profile is being shown. This profile will remain inside and sheet will come outside this profile. Okay, rotate the view. I need it downwards, so flip it downwards and give a dimension of 30. It will be like this. The flange will be like this and okay. Now we will make this profile. Select this face, take a new sketch, take the line command, select this endpoint, make a rough line here, take line command once again and one here. Go to dimensions. This line, the angle will be 60 degree. Now we want this line and this line should be parallel to each other. So go to parallel constraint, select this line and this. Okay. Now we have to join it by arc command. Select this endpoint and this endpoint. Make an arc. As you can see, the arc is moving. So go to tangent constraint. Select this arc, select this line. Similarly, select this arc, select this line. Okay. Now the arc is moving uniformly. So we have to give the dimension to make it constrain. Go to dimensions one again. Select the center point of the arc and the starting point and give the dimension 135. Now go to sheet metal, take the face command. As you can see here, it will get immersed in this sheet, and press. You have to make it join, don't make it a new solid, and apply. This will join into one single solid profile. One thing we have to do, we need to change the sheet thickness. Go to sheet metal. The default thickness taken by the software is 0.5. Uncheck this. We need a thickness of 2 mm, and OK. The thickness will change outside. Now we need this same profile on the other side. Like here we have this profile on the other side as well. So go to the part, take the mirror command, select the features. We want this feature and this feature. As you can see, we don't have any plane over here. Go to mirror plane, open this origin folder. The YZ plane is the middle plane. Take the front view. The YZ plane is the mirror plane, and OK. Now there is a gap between these two profiles. To fill that gap, go to bend command, select this edge. Similarly, select this edge. It will make a sheet metal profile over here and provide the bending radius by itself, and OK. This will join the profiles. Now we want to make this cut profile over here. Select this profile face and create a new sketch. Take the circle command, select this. It will show you the center point of the circle, and make a circle of dia 30. With same center point, make a circle of dia 20, and similarly make a circle of dia 10 mm. OK. Now take the line command. OK. Now first take the offset command, select this and offset it by 1.5. Similarly this by 1.5. OK. Now take the line command, make a line passing from the center. OK. As you can see, this is not constrained, it is also moving. Select the coincident constraint, select the center point, select the center. Now it's fully defined. Go to offset command once again, select this line, move it side and give dimension 0.75. Similarly this side 0.75. OK. Now go to circular pattern, select all three lines. The axis will be this, and the rotations of 8 is a count, and OK. Now go to extrude cut, select this inner profiles, make this as front view, select these inner profiles. This profile we don't have to select these rib portion. These are the ribs which will be formed. These ribs. Now we will go back to part, change its view. As you can see, it's extruding outwards. Flip the direction. Now it will take the cut profile. We want to cut profile on this face as well, so go to through all. It will cut this profile here also, and OK. Now this vent profile has been made. Now we want to use this tool over here. This is the by default tool from Autodesk Inventor. For that, go to 2D sketch. We need to apply tool from inside. Select this face. Take the point command. Place the point over here. Now take the horizontal constraint. Select this edge and this. To make it more clear, go to view. Change the view to wireframe. Now you will be able to see the point. Go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select this center point. Similarly, vertical constraint, select the center point and select this point. Now this is fully constrained, you can see over here. Now go to view once again and change it to shaded with edges. Finish sketch. Now the point is inside. Go to sheet metal and take the punch tool. It will show you the by default tools. We will use the round emboss. If you take the point outside, the punch will be applied outside. Therefore, you have to make the punch profile in. You can see it from here. Now go to size. Take the size 0.75 inch and the height 0.125 and finish. It will emboss inside. Now we have to make the same punch profile over this. We can't mirror the punch profiles, so for that we'll select this face, take a new sketch. We'll simply select this punch sketch and project it. Finish. Now for this, just project it properly. Go to set point command and we'll make a point over here. This will be defined properly. Now we will go to punch tool once again. Select the round emboss and select the same dimensions 0.75 and 0.25. Now finish. Similarly, this profile will be made here. Now we want to make this cut under this. Go to circle command, select the center point, take the dia 5 mm. As this is moving, go to concentric, select the circle like this. It will be the center at the center point. Now go to extrude, select this circle, flip the direction from here and through all cut. Okay, if you mirror this punch, you will not be able to see this profile properly. So we don't have to mirror the profile, you have to make the punch once again. You can change its appearance from here. You can take any Indian turned or any what you want. Now we can make the flat pattern. The flat pattern will be like this. Go to fold part go to back to the part and OK. Now the modeling for this is complete. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.